Assalamualaikum, welcome to my vlog. This is Baneen Zehra. I'm a student of BS IR. Currently, I am studying in my 6th semester. So today we are diving into a hot topic that has been making headlines, the role of Iran in the current Palestine issue. First of all, let's get a quick overview. Iran is a significant player in the Middle East, and for decades it has been involved in various aspects of Israel-Palestine conflict. But what exactly is their role? Let's find out. The relationship between Iran and Palestinian is complex. Iran has been a vocal supporter of the Palestinian cause, providing financial and its political backing to various Palestinian groups, including Hamas and Islamic Jihad. This supporter has been a source of concern for Israel and its allies. Iran's involvement in the Palestine issue can be seen as a part of the broader strategy in the region. By supporting Palestinian group, Iran aims to challenge the influence of the Israel and the United States in the Middle East. Irani's political leaders have consistently criticized Israel's action in the West Bank and Gaza Strip, calling for a free Palestine. They argue that the Israeli government policies are oppressive and inhumane. On the ground, the Iranian supporter can be crucial for Palestinian families who have been struggling for generations. It has provided humanitarian assistance and financial aid, which can be a lifeline in the midst of adversity. The Israel-Palestine relationship is just one piece of the broader puzzle in the Middle East. It's essential to consider the regional dynamics and how Iran's actions affect not only Israel and Palestine but the entire region. As call for peace and two-state solution persist, the role of Iran remains a contentious issue in international diplomacy. It's a challenge for policymakers to balance the need for a peaceful resolution with addressing concern over Iran's involvement. The Israel-Iran conflict is another factor that has been intensified due to Iran's involvement in Palestine. Israel sees Iran as a major threat to its security and has warned Iran not to interfere in Israel's affairs. Iran has repeatedly called for the destruction of Israel and has been involved in covert direct activities against the country, leading to several conflicts between the two countries. In conclusion, Iran's involvement in Palestine is a complex issue and the situation is continually evolving. While Iran claims to support the Palestinian people, the way it provides assistance and the consequences of its action are contested. Israel sees Iran's involvement as a threat and it has responded with military force on several occasions. The international community must come up with a peaceful solution to this conflict which will benefit both Israelis and Palestinians in the long run. So there you have it, folks, a brief look into the intricate role of Iran in the current Palestine issue. It is a multifaceted topic with no easy answer. So thanks for watching my vlog on the role of Iran in the current Palestine issue.